Aim for 8 to 12 minutes to maintain engagement. Start with a captivating montage. Pyramids, Nile, Luxor Temple. Include a tagline, Discover Egypt, where history meets adventure. Outline video coverage, historical landmarks, leisure spots, Nile cruises, accommodations. Highlight iconic sites, pyramids, Sphinx, Luxor temples. Mention Valley of the Kings and Abu Simbel. Show Alexandria's Bibliotheca and Roman ruins. Provide historical context about each site. Use aerial shots and close-ups of carvings. Showcase Red Sea resorts and diving activities. Include bustling markets like Khan El Khalili. Mention desert safaris and camel rides. Show charm of traditional feluccas, luxury cruises. Show serene views of the Nile sunset. Mention key stops like Edfu, Calm Ombo temples. Show hotels, Winter Palace, Marriott Mina House.